Hello, my dear friends. Hello, my dear friends. Today I am back with the new chapter of the geography book of class 11th. Name of the chapter is Solar Radiation, Heat Balance and Temperature. So without wasting time, let us start. First question. What is insolation? When the earth absorbs sun's rays in short wave form, then it is called incoming solar radiation, which is called insolation in short. Next question. What is aphelion? What is aphelion? When the earth is farthest from the sun on 4th July, then it is called aphelion. Next question. What is perihelion? When the earth is nearest to the sun on 3rd January. 3rd January is called perihelion. Next question. What is summer solstice? The day which is longest on 4th July is called summer solstice. Next question. What is winter solstice? The day which is shortest on 3rd January. January is called winter solstice. Next question. What are the factors causing variability of insolation at the surface of the earth? Answer is factors are rotation of the earth on its axis, angle of inclination of sun's rays, length of the day, the transparency of the atmosphere, configuration of land in the terms of its aspect. Next question. Describe the spatial distribution of insolation at the surface of Earth. Answer is spatial distribution of insolation at the surface of Earth is as follows. Insolation received at the tropic level at the surface of Earth is 320 watt per meter square. Insolation received at a pole at the surface of Earth is 70 watt per meter square. Maximum insolation is received over subtropical desert. Equator receives less insolation than the tropic. At the same latitude, insolation received is more over continent in comparison to the ocean. Next question. Why does sky appears red in morning and in evening and blue in the afternoon? Answer is atmosphere consists of gases, dust particle and water vapor. These suspended dust particles scatter the light. This process is called scattering, and due to the process of scattering, sky appears blue in the afternoon and sky appears red in the morning and in the evening. Next question. What is heating and cooling of atmosphere? Answer. Heating and cooling of atmosphere can be seen in different ways. Which are as follows. Conduction. When two bodies of unequal temperature come in contact with each other, and the transfer of heat from the warmer body to the cooler body. And heat transfers from warmer body to cooler body. And this transfer of heat from warmer body to cooler body take place until the temperature between two bodies gets same or contact is broken. Convection. Convection. The air which is present above the earth gets heated. Then this heated air moves upward vertically to so that it can heat the atmosphere also. So the process of vertical transfer of heat. So the process of vertical transfer of heat is called convection. Advection. Transfer of heat take place through horizontal movement of air. Next question. What do you mean by terrestrial radiation? When Earth receives radiation, solar radiation in short wave form, so that Earth can heat up. And when the Earth is heated, then it becomes the radiating body. And Earth starts radiating heat in long wave form to the atmosphere, so that atmosphere can also heat up. This process is called terrestrial radiation. Next question. Discuss the variation in net heat budget. Answer. Variation in net heat budget is as follows. There are variation in the amount of radiation at the Earth's surface. Some part of Earth has surplus radiation at tropic, and some part of Earth has deficit radiation at pole. surplus radiation balance between 40° north to 40° south. Deficit radiation balance at the pole. So, surplus radiations from tropic move towards deficit radiations at pole. Hence, the result is that tropic does not remain heated and the poles are frozen. Next question. Describe the factors controlling temperature distribution. एक मिनट. Temperature फिर distribution. Answer. Factors controlling temperature distribution are as follows. Latitude. As the latitude increases, then as well as temperature decreases. Next point. Altitude. Altitude में है as we move upward vertically, then the temperature will decrease. Next point है distance from the sea. If the location is nearest to the sea, then the temperature will be moderate, and if the location is farthest from the sea, then the temperature will be extreme. Next point is air masses and ocean currents. Area which is influenced by warm air masses that area has high temperature, and the area which is influenced by cool air masses, then that area has low temperature. Next question. What do you mean by lapse rate. Answer. Rate of decreasing of temperature with height is called lapse rate. Lapse rate. Lapse rate. Next question. What do you mean by isotherm? Answer. Isotherm is a line which join places having equal temperature is called isotherm. Next question. Define the specific heat. Answer. It is the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of a substance by 1 degree centigrade. Next question. State the Planck's law. Answer. Planck's law states that hotter a body, more energy it will radiate, and shorter the wavelength of the radiation. NEXT question मतलब next question. Describe the inversion of temperature. Answer. Rate of decrease of temperature with height is called lapse rate. Whereas the situation reversed, then the normal lapse rate inverted. It occurs in dark, cool night with clear sky and still air. Heat radiates off in night and in early morning hours. Then the earth cools. Then the air present above the earth. Inversion can be seen on hills and mountains due to air drainage. Next question. Next question. Define albedo. Answer. The percentage of visible light reflected from the object is called albedo. Next question. Define range. Answer. Difference in mean temperature of warmest and coldest month. Is called range.